how to design a social media post using Canva. So in the previous video we have a good introduction of about Canva. Now today we are starting with how we can design a social media post using Canva. So we have to go to canva.com. Now this interface, you see we have this option that is social media. We have to click on it. Now on whatever platform you want to design your social media post, you have to select it. Okay, so today I am selecting this Instagram and we are going to design an Instagram post. Okay, we have Instagram stories, ad, reel, story ad, animated Instagram post, etc. Canva offers a huge variety to handle the social media of any company. Okay, so today we are starting with the Instagram post. So let's select that. Okay, so you can see a blank square page is open before us. So now let's suppose there is World Ice Cream Day on 18th of July and we have to design a post for it. So the design tab is already open and we have to describe template we want from Canva. So here I am making the post for World Ice Cream Day. So I am going to write. Now when I click enter, Canva will show me all the template it has and I have to choose a design that is suiting me. Okay, the designs with a crown here is for Canva Pro. When we select we purchase the Pro version of Canva, so we can use these crown images also. Okay, otherwise the Canva will leave a watermark of it in our design. But today we are going to use a free template that is best suited for our social media post. What do you think is looking good? Okay, if I'm designing it for a company, then it should contain the company's address, contact number, or the offer the company is going to give. So let's just select this option that looks good. Okay, I'm using this template. How I can use the template? Just by clicking on it. Okay, I have just clicked on it and it is available for me to customize. Okay, now when we select some kind of template, Canva shows similar kind of templates again. If you are not fully satisfied with what you have chosen, you can choose from the similar kind of templates. Okay, let's just start customizing it. Okay, so we have to design a post for World Ice Cream Day. So I am going to write here World Ice Cream Day. Okay, now the text is slightly overlapping, so I'm going to reduce the size from here. It's 84.1. It says I'm going to press minus. Okay, so now the size is reduced, but it is not looking uniform. So I'm going to, this is the text box, so now I'm going to increase the length. Okay, now World Ice Cream Day in a single line. Okay, now it is looking good, right? So now the text written by Canva is delight in every scoop, indulge in the creamy goodness of our irresistible ice cream creations. Okay, so the text written here is delight in every scoop, indulge in the creamy goodness of our irresistible ice cream creations. That is good for our company, so I'm going to keep it like that only. Now this company is offering 25% discount. Okay, so I'm going to place it here. I'm going to increase the size so that it is readable. Okay, Now discount that this company is offering is 25%, but I'm going to offer buy one get one free. Okay, right? Now I want to highlight it a bit, so I'm going to go to effects, right, and lift the text, or I can add a background to it. Can you see in the left panel? Okay, so background roundness I want to reduce, the spread also I want to reduce, and I want to decrease the transparency and color also. So color I want to choose is this brown. No, I'm going to use little dark one so that it is visible, and now it is slightly overlapping the circle, so I'm going to reduce the size. Okay, so now it is buy one get one free. Okay, now what we are going to do next is I'm just changing it to normal text, then italic one. Okay, this is italic, so I'm going to keep it. Let's change it to normal text again. Okay, so it is, no, it's not looking good, so I'm going to do undo. Okay, so we have this buy one get one free. Okay, now next what we are going to do is we will add a call to action, that is order now, and I'm going to slightly move it upwards just to make the text aligned properly. Okay, adjust according to your adjust it according to your choice, that is looking good to your eyes. Okay, now we are using a order now button here, so we can link it to our website. How we can do it? We have to select it, and then will be this link symbol. When we click it, link icon, when we click it, we can enter our website's address. Suppose it is www.vadilalicecreams.com, whatever it can be. Okay, so okay, now for reference we can also put here our social media handles, like Canva has written really great site. You can increase the size and write here your social media handle. Suppose it is okay, and website address is Vadilal Ice Creams. Okay, now when you post this post on social media, you must have a date on it, because you are offering something that is on a special day. So we are going to go to text and write here date. Okay, this will give us the options of writing the date. Okay, so I'm not going to choose these options. I'm going to use a subheading, and I'm going to place it here, that is 18th July 2024. Okay, I'm going to reduce its size. Okay, and going to highlight it using again the background. Okay, reducing the roundness, reducing the spread, changing the color to dark brown, and text color to white. Okay, so this is how it looks. We can reduce the size a bit more. Okay, now it's perfect to go on our social media page, isn't it? If you like the now how you can download it. You have to just click on this rightmost share button, and you have this option of download. It's already PNG selected here. There are many other features that is for pro versions, so you have to do is download. Okay, so download has been the image has been downloaded. We can click it and check it how it looks. Isn't it amazing? Beautiful? Okay, thank you. Do hit the like button if you like how we design social media post on Canva video.